Okay, so this is my attempt at picking the Masterlock 3. Specifically, this is a Masterlock 3 DLF. As you can see, there's nothing special about the core. Standard, just has the elongated shackle here. There's the key once, just to make sure that the core and everything is functioning correctly, which looks like it is. So go ahead and lock it back up. I'm just going to use a standard turner and a short hook, both from the Genesis set that I got from covidinstruments.com. And we're going to use bottom of the keyway tension here. And we will pick it. I believe this is a 4-pin. So, one, two, click on 4 there. Back up to 1. Click on 1, 2, click there, and there we go. Got it open. Do it one more time just to show that that was not a fluke on my part. 1, 2, 3, 4 is binding. Gotta click out of 4. 1, that's on 1. 2, a little bit of a click out of 2. That's on 3. 4, back over to 1. 1's binding. A little bit of a click over that. 2, 3, 4, back up to 1 again. Click out of 1. 2, 3, 4 there. Back over to 1 again. It feels like it's binding really tightly. There we go. So as you can see, I am a newbie lock picker, but I have successfully picked the Masterlock